Meaning of incorrigible.
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 Incorrigible. The term incorrigible refers to a person or behavior that is beyond correction or reform. It implies a persistent and unchangeable tendency towards wrongdoing. An incorrigible individual is typically resistant to any form of advice, punishment, or rehabilitation. This term is often used in legal contexts, especially in cases involving juvenile delinquency. When applied to a person, the label of being incorrigible can have long-lasting negative consequences, limiting their opportunities for personal growth and societal integration. Overall, incorrigibility suggests a lack of hope for reform and implies a sense of resignation to a negative fate.